Hello guys, welcome to Maths with Edu Karthik, and today we will start with a new exercise which is exercise 4.3. So here in our first question, we have to tell if the roots are real, unreal. So we have to tell this. So basically there is a term, or you can say there is a thing called D, or you can say discriminant. This discriminant is used to find whether the these equations can be solved or not. If discriminant is like you can say positive, then the roots will be real. If negative, then roots will be not real. And if zero, then roots will be real, but both root will be equal to each other. I hope this is clear. This is found by b square minus 4 into a into c. So we'll just be putting the values in this formula and we'll find out the answer that roots can be found out or not. I hope this is clear. Let's rub this. Now we'll start. Okay, so 2x square. Here a, b and c are firstly a. It is 2, b is minus 3 and c is 5. So b square minus 4ac will be d equals to minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. Minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 to the 8. 8 5 is 40. So our answer is minus 31, which is less than 0. So roots are unreal. Okay, now this one. Here D. First of all, we'll find out the values of A, B, C. A equals to B equals to C equals to. Now A is 3, B is minus 4 root 3 and C is 4. So D equals to minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into 3 into 4. Now let's solve it. 4 for 16. 16 3 is 48. Minus 4 4 is 16 3 is 48. 0. So discriminant is coming 0. Now here let's see. Okay, now here it is saying that if the roots exist, then we have to find roots also. So minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. So minus b. Now roots minus b minus 4 root 3, which is 4 root 3 only, plus minus. So see, plus also and minus also, both the roots are equal. So here it will be minus 0, or you can say plus 0 upon 2 into a. 2 3s are 6. Here 3, here 2. So roots will be 2 root 3 upon 3, comma 2 root 3 upon 3. These will be our roots. Both roots are equal to each other. Now here a equals to 2, b equals to minus 6, c equals to 3. So d equals to b square means 6 square is 36 minus 4ac. 4 3 is 12. 12 to the 24. So yes, d is 12. Okay, so let's see once again. A equals to 2. 2 3 is 6. 4ac. 6 4 is 24. Okay. Now minus 6 square is 36. So yes, our d value is coming correct. Now we have to find out the root. Equals to minus b. Minus 6 plus minus root 12 upon 2 into A means 4, directly 4. Now if we do plus, then root 12 can be written as 4 into 3, which is 2 root 3. I hope this is clear. Now here, if we do plus, then 6 plus minus 2 root 3 by 4. Firstly here will be plus, then 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. Firstly in plus condition, you can say here will be 2, this cancel, and there 3. So 3 plus root 3 by 2, comma 3 minus root 3 by 2. These will be our answers. I hope this is clear. And now we'll start with a next question of this exercise. अब आते हैं अपने next topic पे. इसके अरे sorry क्या बोल. Now coming to our next question. Here there are two parts. Okay, so here we have to find out the value of k. If we put the value of k, then the roots of the equation, when we find them out, then they should be equal. So the condition for roots being equal is b equals to 0. So we'll just put b square minus 4ac equals to 0 for equal roots. B square minus 4ac equals to 0. So now just put the values. K square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equals to 0. K square minus 4 to the 8. 8 is a 24. Equals to 0. So k square equals to 24. So k equals to plus minus root 24. Now here we'll write the values. Now see, root 24 can be written as 2 root 6. So plus minus. So 1 is positive 2 root 6 and 1 is negative 2 root 6. These are the values, or you can say roots, or you can say zeros. Okay, now coming to this question, here we have to do the same thing, but firstly we'll simplify this part. Okay, so kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Again doing the same thing for equal roots. For equal roots, what we have to do? We have to firstly write the value of d as 0. So minus 2k square. Okay, minus 2k square minus 4 is k and c is 6 equal to 0. Now we'll solve this. 4k square minus 6 4 are 24k equal to 0. Now 4k square equals to 24k. Now 4 6 times and k cancel. K equals to 6. The value of k has come as 6. So the root will be only for equal roots, the value of k must be 6. I hope this is clear to you, and our second question is also over. Now we'll continue with our third question. Now here length is twice its breadth, and here it is asked that there is a mango grove in which area is 800 meters square. Now we have to find that is it possible to design that mango groove with length which is equal to twice the breadth? Okay, so let's find out. Firstly, we have to design an equation. Length equals to 2 into breadth. So L equals to 2B. Now area means L into B equals to 800 meters square. Means 2B into B is given to us that it is equal to, यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, now here it is given to us that L equals to 2B, so we'll put this value here. So 2B into B will be equal to 800. 2B square equals to 800. B square equals to 400. So B is root 400, which is plus minus 20. But minus 20 rejected. Why minus 20 is rejected? Because you know that distance can never be negative, or you can say length of something. So B equals to 20 meter. B equals to 20 meters. Now here we have to find length also. So length equals to 2 into breadth. So length will be equals to 2 into 20. 40 meters. I hope this is clear to you, and yes, it is possible to be designed, and also the value of B is 20 meter, value of L is 40 meter. I hope this is clear. Now we will continue with our fourth question of this. Now here in this question it is asked that we have to find out whether we can find out their ages or not. Here sum of ages is given 20 years, and 4 years ago the product of their ages was 48 years. So basically this data is given of two friends, two close friends, like their ages, some is right now 20 years and 4 years ago their product of ages was 48. Okay, so let one friend's age X. So other friend's age will be 20 minus X, because sum is 20. Now we know 4 years ago first friend will be X minus 4 years old, and the second will be, sorry, it was X minus 4, 20 minus X minus 4, so it will be 16 minus X. X minus 4 and 16 minus X. So now product of their ages will be 16 minus X into X minus 4, which is given 48. Okay, this is given to other product of their ages 4 years ago was 48. Now 16X minus 64 minus X square plus 4X equals to 48. Okay, now let's solve this. Minus X square plus 20X minus 64 equals to 48. Now we'll send it this side. So 64 plus 48 is 112. So minus x square plus 20x minus this 112 equal to 0. Now we will find out d. D will be b square minus 4ac. B square. Here b is 20. So 20 square is 400 minus 4 into a is 1, that too negative, and c is minus 112. Minus minus cancel. So 400 minus 112 into 4. So 448. It which is minus 48. Which is less than 0. So there are no real roots. Hence, we cannot find out the value of their ages, their current ages basically. I hope this is clear. Now we will come to our last question of this video. Here in this question, it is asked by the question that is it possible to design a rectangular park which has a perimeter 80 meter and area as 400 meter square? So we should not say yes or no from the starting. You can also do it by hit and trial method, but it will not be appropriate. Like you cannot write, you can solve it in mind using hit and trial, but surely we will have to solve it for the exam. Okay, so let's do it. 2L plus B equals to 80. 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth is the formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so 2L plus B is 80. So L plus B is 40. Now L will be 40 minus B. I hope this is clear. Now we'll substitute this value in area. Area equals to L into B, which is 400. Now L is 40 minus B. 40 minus B into B equals to 400. Now 40B minus B square equals to 400. Let's solve it here. So 40b minus b square equals to 400. So b square minus 40b plus 400 equals to 0. I have taken this that side. We sent this that side. Then this equation has formed. Now b square. Now we'll find out d equals to b square minus 4ac. Not this one b, but which d? Which b? This b. So minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. When we solve it, 40 into 40 is 1600. Okay. Now minus 400 into 4, 1600. So finally this is 0. Means the roots will be equal. So yes, we can find out. And when we solve it, now since d is 0, the values, or you can say roots, will be minus b upon 2a and will be equal to each other. Okay. Now minus b is negative of minus 40, which is 40, upon 2 into a is 2, which means 20. I hope this is clear. The breadth is 20. And now, since b equals to 20, so L plus b was total 40. L plus b was 40. and L equals to 40 minus B. So L equals to 40 minus 20, which is 20. So L equals to 20 equals to B. It means that the garden is not rectangular. Instead, it is a square shaped garden. But we know that square is also a rectangle. This we have read in class 9. Okay, I hope this is clear, and here our exercise 4.3 ends. And from the next video, I'll start with our next chapter because this chapter is totally over. And in the next, from the next chapter. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.